Have you ever missed someone you never even spoke to? In college, every morning I would rush to class, and there was always a guy sitting in the third row. His backpack would be on the empty seat next to him, and when he saw me running in, he would silently move it. We never spoke, just nodded at each other. It became part of my routine. Then one day, he wasn't there. I found myself staring at the empty seat, wondering where he went. Weeks turned into months, and still no sign of him. 5 years later, at a conference in Boston, I turned around and there he was, standing like no time had passed. I asked, "Do you remember me?" He smiled and said, "You're the only person I know who doesn't ruin perfectly good coffee." We talked for 3 hours, and I realized that sometimes the strongest friendships begin with complete silence.